back to Raspberry Gaming. Today we're playing Don't Touch the Button 4 and Dalton got abducted by aliens.
Is that it?
No, I don't want to be abducted. I don't want to be abducted. Please, I want to live for... Oh, I'm alive. Survive. Wait, what? Wait.
Hey guys, I'm watching a video today. I am playing
How are you supposed to survive that?
Press the button.
Oh, you're supposed to run around with it.
Oh, like this? Like, okay,
Yeah.
I'm running.
No, Dalton, you're not even on it.
I feel so, by looking up, it looks like you're ginormous.
Uh-oh. Someone has a magic carpet and it's really annoying because they can make it to the end, like, as quick as Sonic.
Of course, today I actually, if I help computer wizard,
Oh, not this. And it's blue. And it's yellow. Yeah.
No! Oh man. Let me put the button.
Get to the finish line. Wait. Oh,
Mommy!
come on. Wait, why is my inventory closed?
I'm get stuck.
Fine, I'm gonna be stuck like this. I don't know how I'm supposed to see. Oh wait, this music might be copyrighted. I might have to mute.
Luckily, I don't have to mute because it's it's recording my audio, but not
Okay, okay, I turned it off. Hide and seek, yeah, first. Oh wow. Oh no, I need to hurry. I'm hiding. Where do I hide? Where do I hide? I'm hiding under here. I'm hiding under here. I don't care what anyone else says. Who's the seeker? Dalton, where are you hiding?
I'll make a shelf that says Roblox history.
I'm hiding behind this like table thing in the corner with a computer on it. We're still both alive.
Is it just you and me?
No, it's you, me, and some other dude.
Yes! I almost got caught.
Yeah, same.
I jumped out like at the
Ew.
last second. You?
Quickly get to the top. Uh-oh. Better hurry. No. No. Whoa. We're alive.
Here. We made it.
Who's girl? Okay, well. Wait, how is Fireman Joe under the lava and not dying?
Bye. Love you. But you're in.
Stay clear of moving platforms. What does that mean? Oh, wait. Ah! It's not like this is gonna... Ah! beside you. Okay, cool.
Ruby.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait, what just happened there? It like went under me, and then I was flying.
You like were flipping. You were doing backflips.
Yeah, and then like when it came back, I just landed.
Hey, Ruby.
Yeah.
My mom said that I can maybe come over to your house soon because it just hit summer.
Really?
Yeah.
When?
Whenever your dad says it's okay.
Yeah, I mean if my dad says ah.
Ow.
Why am I inside a pink bubble? Why am I a dinosaur?
I don't know.
Dalton, are you in a pink bubble with me? Okay, well, now I'm a dinosaur. Get to the water. Uh-oh.
No! Let me out!
What?
I died.
That's sad. Not my fault. You're Steve Poopy. You didn't get in the water. Well, at least I have a cool dinosaur outfit now. I'm gonna try to keep the dinosaur outfit as long as I can.
Hey, let's sketch you.
Find a hole in the wall. Uh-oh. Oh. Wait. Where's it going? Oh, okay, that was easy. Only one door is correct. Okay, that one. Who's gonna sacrifice? I'm not losing my dinosaur. It's red. This one. Okay, it's not that one. No one else go in that one or you're wasting your dinosaur costume. Dalton, if you come over... Oh, it must be blue or green. It's green.
No, it's green.
No, what do I do? Remember me when I die, and I died because I got it wrong. I lost my dinosaur costume. Oh, what is happening? Uh-oh. We're in a pink bubble. Why am I in a pink bubble?
The world, and then I died.
Oh, that's sad.
Ruby, I see you. Look up.
I can't look up right now. There's fire rings.
Now look up.
Ah!
Run,
Whoa! Don't worry, I'm good at obbies, Dalton. Uh-oh. 2 players, 1. Me and this dude. Goodbye. A storm. No, Dalton, remember me.
Ruby, did you die?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Ruby, help!
Watch out. What does that mean? Ah!
I think by that.
Get to the top? Bet. I'm at the top.
Me too. We're so good at this.
I know, everybody soaks to be poopy clods. Come on. Where's this thing gonna leave? I wanna press the button. Reach the mountaintop. Uh-oh. Gotta leave people behind, Dalton. This feels like Stumble Guys.
Because it is.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, I died, Ruby. Keep on going.
I will remember you, Dalton.
No, you won't.
What? Oh, okay, that's how you do it.
Did we go the wrong way?
No, it's because I'm on this one where, like, ice particles or something comes up, and you have to wait for it to, like, go onto the other side or something. I don't know how to explain it.
I see you.
Oh. Wait. What? Oh! Ah! Ooh!
I'm coming.
I see it! The candy cane house! I don't even... why is there a candy cane house? I don't know, but we're here! Yay! I made it. I'm at a candy cane house now. Okay, so... when is it? We won. Now what? Dalton, is it still going on? Or are we just... are we stuck in a candy cane house? Oh, no, we're not. I can't pressing the button. LOL. Oh, find the button. Find the button. Find the button. Dalton, zoom in. It makes it a lot easier. I found it. I pressed the button again. Reach the other side. How many reach the other sides are there? No, wait. Hey, how do you post a... I don't give up, I don't give up. Ruby never gives up, Pyro never gives up. Ruby never gives up. Ruby. I made it.
I'm coming. Oh, you jerk. He put a portal there.
Uh-oh. Oh, wait. This is easy. You just gotta... oh! It switches directions. Oh, my friend joined. I mean, Courtney joined.
Courtney.
I can't jump. We're gonna die, Dalton! Oh. Oh! I found a loophole. I found a loophole. Dalton, I found a loophole. Well, here's a loophole. Now we don't have to worry. No, please don't make a portal. Please don't make a portal.
Yay, we made.
Oh, we lost Dalton.
No, I didn't.
I said we lost. Oh! Ah! 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 Okay, guys, this is Courtney. She's number 4, but I don't know. Okay. Are you the lucky or the unlucky? Oh, I'm an unlucky one. Sorry, Dalton. You gotta earn a goal. Bet. Dalton, I'm sorry for this.
Are we on the same team, Ruby?
No, me and Courtney on the same team. You're on your own.
Aw, no.
Come on, come on. No. Dalton! I'm telling my mummy and she's going to arrest you. Enter the castle. Oh, okay. Sounds good.
Oh, this. Well, this is easy.
Oh! Reach the end.
4.
Ah! Ah!
How do we get over there?
You have to, so the lava rises. And you have to, Courtney, no, Courtney!
I'm alive!
I'm alive too, but Courtney died.
I'm coming, Ruby.
I gotta hurry. Yeah.
I just died!
Dalton, are you okay? So guys, this is what happens when you rage. Please don't rage, please. Okay. We're so close. Oh gosh. I'm going to tell me mommy and she's going to arrest you. Come on, this dude is... Come on.
Don't die!
Come on.
Don't die!
Come on. I made it. I made it. Dalton died.
No, I didn't.
Oh, okay, cool.
Hurry up! Oh my god! I made it!
Why is there so many bacons?
I made it!
Uh-oh, dodge the lasers. That doesn't sound good. I don't like when some...
What?
Oh!
Oh crap! Courtney, what?
Courtney had to join the call, so I'm gonna edit these two together, but the screen recording stopped because of that. So, guys, everyone be quiet. I cannot see who's talking.
I'm talking!
Courtney, I think you're covering your speaker with a blanket or something. Dalton, you're still... Wait, why did it say you were remaining even though you were up there? Ah! What's the color? What's the color?
This one. Green?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait, what's that color? What's that color? Oh, it's this one. It's this one.
Wait, Ruby, I don't know which one's the right color. I'm colorblind.
You're not colorblind.
Colorblind?
Are you?
No, I don't know if I'm colorblind. I don't see the correct color.
Dalton, what do you see?
Ruby, I see like nothing.
What? I think Dalton's colorblind.
But I'm not. Green looks like green.
Ah! He's shooting bullets! Ah, remember me!
What if I am? What?
I don't think you're colorblind.
What? Watch out.
He has a sword! Ah! He has a sword!
Quick, run around in circles. Your life depends on it.
Ah! My life depends on circles!
Take me alive.
Guys, I'm on top of a roof.
Hey, get on the roof. Get on the roof. You'll probably take me alive. You'll never take me alive.
Guys.
Probably not. Wait, where did they go?
Uh-oh.
I can't jump there, but I think I'm fine.
Uh-oh.
Damn it, I'm
I fell out of the map.
Wait, how did I fall off the earth?
Push the ice orb up the lobby. Click, get it off.
It's just an ice block from
It doesn't matter. Get it off.
Die.
Watch out for
I'm gonna
spikes.
lose my voice.
Uh-oh.
It's the ice spike biome from Minecraft. That's easy. That's easy. I played so many. My smoke alarm went off.
What is this? They're portals. Why is somebody making portals?
I'm going to get a noise complaint. Portal. I found a portal. Oh, I died.
What is going on?
Viral, help me.
After this one, we're gonna do one more round, and then I'm gonna end the video because what?
Wait, you're filming?
Yeah.
My video crashed.
Your video crashed. Why is someone making portals on me? Someone's making portals on me, and I don't know who. Who is turning the cube? That's very mean. What the? What's going on? He's just spinning it. Nothing's happening.
This is so easy.
Oh.
Courtney almost died.
Ah! Stop it! Ah! Ah! more. Okay, this is good. Uh-oh.
Why did I do that?
Ah!
That stupid lizard.
I don't need to die.
Where are they all coming from?
I don't know.
I do not like this. Oh, crap.
Someone died. Ah! What is going on? I feel like I'm in a stance fight right now. Dalton!
Oh, I died.
Ow!
Screaming.
No, I'm gonna die! I mean, at least I won. I won.
I'm going to have a noise from my neighbor.
Get ready for Spleef. I love Spleef. Dalton, I'm sorry about that.
All purple? I used to think that.
They're Dalton, they're purple. Don't worry. Dalton, they're purple.
Okay, these are orange, if I'm correct.
Yes, they're purple.
I'm still alive.
I'm still alive too. I'm still standing. Oh gosh. I fell. What do I do? Ah, these stupid movie pagans! Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here because it's getting kind of weird. So, I'm gonna end it right now. So, see you guys next video. Bye.